The design of the tiny home emphasizes openness and light upon entry. Vertical space is maximized to create a sense of spaciousness within the limited area. Strategic window placement is crucial for maximizing natural illumination. The immediate impression is one of brightness and airiness. The design principles prioritize natural light to enhance the living environment. Compact appliances are a key feature of efficient kitchenette design. Multifunctional surfaces maximize space utilization in a kitchenette. Kitchenettes optimize every inch of available space through strategic design. Integrated sinks and faucet designs contribute to space-saving functionality. Foldable or retractable elements enhance the adaptability of kitchenette spaces. Vertical storage solutions maximize capacity without increasing the footprint. Tiny homes maximize space through integrated storage solutions. Hidden compartments beneath furniture offer discrete storage options. Wall-mounted shelving utilizes vertical space for efficient organization. Vertical organizers optimize storage capacity in compact areas. Clever storage designs are essential for maintaining a clutter-free living environment in tiny homes. The living area prioritizes both relaxation and functionality. The reconfigurable design adapts to different needs, such as seating, dining, or sleeping. This adaptability maximizes the utility of the living space. A composting toilet is a key feature for reducing water consumption. Space-saving shower designs maximize functionality within a small footprint. Energy-efficient lighting and ventilation minimize environmental impact. The bedroom loft is accessed via a ladder or stairs. The loft provides a cozy and private sleeping space. Skylights provide natural light to the loft. Skylights also provide ventilation for the loft. The loft design maximizes space utilization within the room. Tiny homes often feature an aesthetically pleasing exterior design. Functional design is a key aspect of tiny home exteriors, maximizing space and utility. Sustainable materials are frequently incorporated into the construction of tiny homes. Energy-efficient design is a common feature, reducing environmental impact and operational costs. The combination of aesthetics, functionality, and sustainability defines the exterior of the tiny home. Multi-purpose furniture enhances space utilization by serving multiple functions. Folding furniture allows for quick conversion of a small space into a functional area. A wall-mounted table can easily convert a living space into a dining or work area. The design of multi-purpose furniture focuses on efficient use of space and adaptability. Multifunctional furniture offers solutions for maximizing utility in compact living environments. The versatility of folding furniture makes it ideal for apartments, studios, and other small living spaces. Strategic window placement maximizes natural light penetration into interior spaces. Skylights are integrated to further enhance natural illumination, reducing reliance on artificial lighting. Optimized natural light creates a bright and airy atmosphere within the building. Reducing artificial lighting through natural light optimization lowers energy consumption. Careful consideration of window size and orientation is crucial for effective natural light capture. The design integrates both windows and skylights to achieve optimal natural light distribution throughout the space. Vertical space utilization maximizes storage capacity in limited floor areas. Tall shelves and cabinets offer ample storage without encroaching on living space. Extending storage to the ceiling optimizes space in compact living environments. Vertical storage solutions include modular shelving, built-in cabinets, and wall-mounted units. Strategic vertical storage enhances organization and declutters living spaces. Effective vertical space design improves aesthetics and functionality in modern interiors. Minimalist decor emphasizes functionality and purpose in design. Each item within a minimalist space contributes to the overall aesthetic. Careful selection of items is essential for maintaining a minimalist design. Minimalism focuses on essential elements, removing excess and clutter. The goal of minimalist decor is to create a sense of calm and order. Energy-efficient appliances minimize energy consumption. Effective insulation reduces energy loss. Reduced energy consumption lowers environmental impact. Energy-efficient appliances use less power to perform the same tasks. Insulation creates a thermal barrier, maintaining consistent indoor temperatures. Lowering energy consumption contributes to a more sustainable environment. Low-flow fixtures conserve water by reducing the amount used per flush or flow. Water-saving appliances minimize water consumption during operation. Conserving water through efficient fixtures and appliances leads to a reduction in utility bills. Reduced water consumption lowers the demand on municipal water systems. Water conservation contributes to environmental sustainability by preserving water resources. Proper ventilation systems are essential for maintaining air quality in enclosed spaces. Effective ventilation prevents moisture buildup, which can lead to mold and structural damage. Ventilation systems exchange stale indoor air with fresh outdoor air, reducing pollutant concentrations. Different types of ventilation systems include natural ventilation, exhaust fans, and mechanical ventilation systems. The tiny home is constructed using sustainable materials, minimizing environmental impact. Reclaimed wood is utilized in the construction of the tiny home. Recycled metal components are incorporated into the tiny home structure. Sustainable materials reduce the environmental footprint of the tiny home. Using reclaimed and recycled materials promotes resource conservation. The tiny home exemplifies eco-friendly building practices. Tiny homes are frequently situated in natural environments to enhance residents' connection with nature. Outdoor spaces are designed to foster a close relationship with the natural world. Proximity to nature promotes a healthy and balanced lifestyle for tiny home residents. The integration of outdoor living spaces encourages physical activity and relaxation. The design of tiny homes often incorporates sustainable materials and eco-friendly practices. Living in a natural setting can reduce stress and improve overall mental well-being.